Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this warm orange film-like coloring in CapCut. So first, just start by adding your videos and go straight to filter and add the green-orange filter that you can find under the movies category. Okay, this one, green orange, and set it to around 70. Now go to adjust, and for the brightness increase it to 10, and also the saturation and brilliance. Okay, now click on the add yourself and the orange color, set the hue to -15, saturation 15, and the lightness 20. Okay, go back. Now click on the grabs, and here you can just make the curve like this, but adjust it to your video. You can just adjust it how you like it or follow this curve. Go back for the highlight, lower it to a -30, then shadow a -3, and the temperature to make it warm increase it to 10. Okay, now click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.